Hello viewers, welcome to Ekamais Academy. Today we are going to discuss about an important doctrine which recently Supreme Court has pronounced in its reservation with respect to persons of disabilities case. So what is this doctrine of equality? What is the recent Supreme Court judgment in this regard? And what are the related articles we'll understand in this video. So first, we have the context is, we are discussing about the doctrine of equality. The recent context is, Supreme Court has said there should not be any discrimination in terms of reservation for persons with disabilities, especially in the judicial services. That means those who are preparing for the judicial services, especially from the PWD communities, they cannot be actually discriminated just on the basis of like physical disability, and there should not be any barriers which are hurting their interest in the judicial service. So that is the main advice, at the same time main observation of the Supreme Court, and they have pronounced the doctrine of equality. So first let us understand what is Supreme Court's ruling. Supreme Court said the persons with physical disabilities or persons with disabilities should be given the fair chance. Fair chance should be given, and that should include the policies of inclusivity and equality. So any policy which the government makes towards PWD should incorporate equality and inclusivity as the main objective. So they have said, in case if you're imposing any restriction barriers and if you're making it more hurdle for them, then it is a clear violation of right to equality. So those things have to be taken care by the state, so which can actually hurt their interest in writing the judicial services, and there is no such discrimination ensured under the Indian Constitution. Then there is an important announcement regarding UPSC prelims. So those who are aspiring for 2025 prelims, you have a very good choice at Ekamais Academy, where from 17th March we are going to start a rapid revision program in which out of 125 hours of lectures, static and current affairs will be linked and previous papers will be analyzed. So subject experts will be dealing the respective subjects, and everything related to the prelims will be covered in a comprehensive manner. So for any further details and detailed schedule, you can scan this QR code. At the same time, this program is available at a very affordable rate of 2,999 only. So for those who avail this program, they can also enjoy a test series at the rate of 999 only. So for any details, you can contact us on this number. Next. So what is this right to equality? The doctrine of equality was again reaffirmed by the Supreme Court in this particular case. So we have Article 14 to Article 18 in Indian Constitution, which directly and indirectly supports the right to equality. So what is Article 14? Right to equality and equality before law. Equality before law, equal protection of law. Both are ensured under Article 14. So equality before law is a concept we have taken from UK, and equal protection of law we have taken from USA. So these two concepts are ensuring right to equality in India, right? At the same time, we have Article 15, which is saying that state shall not discriminate on the grounds of sex, place of birth, religion, at the same time caste and other things like gender, right? These things cannot be discriminated. That means all other things can be discriminated. At the same time, we also have Article 16, which says that there should not be any discrimination on these grounds, especially in public employment and educational opportunities. So these type of things cannot be discriminated in educational opportunities and public employment opportunities. In the same time, Article 17 talks about abolition of untouchability. At the same time, this article is very important because it is available against the private individuals. At the same time, it is also available against the state-related action. And Article 18 abolishes any form of titles. So imposition of titles and use of titles is also abolished under Article 18, so that there won't be any hierarchy in the society or social stratifications will not exist, and there will be equality in the society. So these are all articles which are incorporated in the Indian Constitution mainly to promote the concept of equality. Now let us see a practice question in this regard. The concept or the principle of equal protection of laws under Article 14. Next. Initiative మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే మీ ఒపీనియన్ కామెంట్ సెక్షన్ లో చెప్పండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. ఆల్ ది వెరీ బెస్ట్.